Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm showing you an easy mixed media collage project idea. Supplies I'm using are my 8x5 watercolor journal. You could also use a small canvas or even a card base. I think these could make really cute greeting cards. I've got a cutout girl face that I drew on copy paper, some collage paper. I'm using a butterfly napkin, matte medium and a brush to apply it. Mod Podge would also work, smoothing tool or an old credit card. Got colored pencils and a blending stump for adding details to the face. Got my white Posca marker for adding highlights. I've also got some distress inks for the background, and I'm also using distress ink for her cheeks. You can use whatever you have. Let's get started. First thing we need to do is draw a face. Here I have drawn a whole sheet of faces. Some have more details and shading than others. I like to give myself choices. If you are not comfortable drawing faces or you don't enjoy the process, you're welcome to download this basic faces template sheet. The link is in the description. Add as much detail as you like and use them in your projects. So what I'm doing here is just adding some details to the face. I'm using a black colored pencil for upper lid and eyelashes. Now I'm using a chestnut brown pencil to outline the rest of her eyes. Then I've got a blending stump to soften the lines. Next, I'm giving her some pupils with the black pencil. Then I'm just adding a little darker blue to the bottom of her eyes. Now I'm giving her lips a bit more color with my magenta pencil. And then coming back in with the stump to blend it all together. Okay, so now I'm just using my white Prismacolor pencil to do a little more blending on the face. Here I'm using some pink distress ink and a Q-tip to add a little color to her cheeks. Now I'm using my white Posca marker to put some lights in her eyes and a little highlight on her nose. If you're interested in watching my entire face drawing process from start to finish, please leave a comment and I'll make a video. Okay, next I'm just making a simple background with distress inks and some makeup blender sponges. So I got the face cut out. Now I'm using matte medium to stick it to the page. Now I'm going to use the butterfly napkin for her hair. I tore some random pieces until I came up with a look that I like. Now I'm just going to work my way around her head, sticking down the paper pieces with the matte medium. If you like learning new art project ideas, please subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'll be painting a girl like this on a big canvas. I hope you'll join me and follow along.